Fully automatic seal tag injection molding machine is the leading technology in the garment hanging, grain production industry. Mature technology and more reliable operation. It also has color stamping function for seal tag plastic logos for option. Automation instead of manual operation. Shortens the cycle time from 22 seconds to 12 seconds. Increases the mold cavities up to 40 pieces as maximum. These greatly improves the production capacity and realizes the automatic production. This will be the best choice to increase production and save labor costs. Look forward to providing you with long-term cooperation and services. Fully automatic dental floss injection molding machine sells well in many countries and regions because of its mature and stable production capacity and good after-sales service. Suckers take the dental floss and drop down on collecting sticks neatly, which is easy to take out for packing. When the collected dental floss reaches the set quantity, tips on controller screen will remind you to shift the empty collecting sticks. There are two solutions. First one can make 20 floss per cycle, while the other one can make up to 64 floss per cycle. This will be the best choice to increase production and save labor costs. Look forward to providing you with long-term cooperation and services.